William, do you have any idea what animal is going up next?
Red Rainer, napaka-yellow belly, turns out, and orange belly, turns out.
Okay, no, but let me tell you. The next animal you're about to see is very clean, very soft, very friendly, and very lovable. In fact, she loves to give hugs to people just like you. So are you ready to meet her? Okay, so now, let's start our trainers. DJ, please have a seat. Nawawala. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the next animal we're about to see is missing. But don't worry, our trainers will go around and look for her, so nothing to worry about. It happens sometimes. Yes, Trainer Jared? Sabak. Samba. Okay, let's take a look.